Alright, back with you once again. I'm going to show you some botched up drawings that I've done of some buildings and garages. Now the first one I'm going to show you are these walls right here. Now these walls are solid, but I should have put maybe a window in there to show where people can build. So this is somewhat of a undetailed floor plan of a building I did. See here? This is what I did here. So this is the first drawing I'm going to show you. And the second one I'm going to show you is a picture of these garages. You can see here's a single car garage. Then you have a double car garage there. See with the doors there and the walls there. Now I forgot to put windows on these things. So this is the second drawing I've done. And finally, show you a picture of a triple car garage, detached. You see the doors here in double and a single door here, and the walls built into it. So those are my sketches for today. I'll show you more in a future video.